Okay, let me go ahead and tell you. I'm just gonna taste it, tell you what I think. There's a greens over here, nothing crazy, nothing amazing. Greens over here, my chicken. Just finished watching the grand finale, the finale of Harry Potter, the Wizards of Baking show. As you know, I do like to cook. I'm honestly thinking about going into like food service and cooking. Let me know if anyone thinks that's a good idea. Should I try to be a chef at this point? Let me know. Like I said, I'm an animator, but technology is bad right now. Don't go into it. Anyway. And then I'm about to watch this movie on Prime called Succubus. So let me taste this. And yeah, there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there's a corn. It's interesting. This has a spiciness to it. Hopefully not lemon and lime. If there is, I'm screwed. I'm gonna have to take some allergy stuff here for me to eat. I didn't think about that. But I think I do taste some lemon or lime. Hopefully not, but I think there is. It's weird. It has a citrus. It tastes like some type of citrus fruit combined with spiciness to it. There's some spice, jalapenos, pepper. There's something in there. So that's a very interesting combination. Do I think it's better than, I eat the low sodium chicken when I do eat Rice-A-Roni. Low sodium chicken, and then recently past years I like the pilaf. Those are my two favorite. Chicken and pilaf are my two favorite Rice-A-Roni so far. I haven't tasted all of them at all. So, but I saw this is new. It said new. I was like, okay, let me try it. Let me test it out and tell you all what I think about it. I don't know. I give this like maybe a 5 out of 10. It's good. I mean, it's nothing amazing, but yeah, it tastes like a spicy citrus fruit. That's what I tasted. I don't even really taste the corn, even though there's corn right there. It says Mexican style corn. I don't taste corn. I still think the chicken flavor is better and the pilaf is better. The spiciness is delayed. Whatever it is, the spicy feeling comes. Yeah, there's like a 4 to 5 second delay in the spiciness, which is interesting. But it's not like spicy. I don't like spicy foods, but it's not like so spicy that's like burning the mouth. That's not what I'm tasting. I give this, I don't know, 5 out of 10. Let me know if anyone agrees, disagrees. I don't know, man. If you're not someone who likes spice, I don't know, maybe like a 4 out of 10. Like I said, but the taste itself, 5 out of 10, maybe a 5.5 out of 10. It's definitely not like 7 or 8 range at all. That's all I had, man. Just wanted to cook that real quick, test it out. I have some other little cooking videos I did. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you. There's one last little thing. So after eating it, about 15, 20 minutes, a little longer here, there's like a sweetness to it. I guess coming from the corn. It's sort of a sweetness taste. But anyway, those are my thoughts. I still like the chicken better. I like the pilaf better. I don't think it's terrible. I just don't think it's anything amazing. I'm sort of in between. Like, I don't know how to describe it. So, that's it.